If you're having trouble unlocking the multiplayer feature in Overwatch 2, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Before anything else, visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game launcher, Battle.net, Steam, etc. and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates before trying to access multiplayer again. Step 3. Verify account requirements. Make sure that your account meets all the necessary requirements to access multiplayer. This may include having a verified email address, a link for a number, or meeting any age restrictions set by the game. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Close the game and restart your gaming device or PC. Once it is back on, launch the game again and see if you can access multiplayer. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they may be able to help you unlock the multiplayer feature. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues preventing you from accessing multiplayer in Overwatch 2. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.